Hi, my name is Andras Bonnet, co-founder of EU Training, your gateway to an exciting career within the European Union institutions in Brussels, Luxembourg, or beyond. If you're just starting out on your EU career journey or moving up in your career in the European Union institutions, you're in the right place. Explore the resources available on EU Training designed to equip candidates for successful EU exams. Choose from a diverse range of study packages, complete with practice tests that mirror the format of the European Personal Selection Office, or EPSO. Get into the test methodology with webinars, training sessions, e-learning courses, and a wealth of supplementary information. Our online and Brussels-based classroom training sessions and webinars are interactive and led by senior EU experts. Start your journey today, subscribe to our channel for free tips and EPSO updates. And when you're ready, check out all the preparation materials on offer on eutraining.eu.